When we came to Antalya for a holiday, it was the first time in May. It was really wonderful for us. People are incredibly hospitable and they are very nice and gentle. They explained everything and they took care of my husband. I was with him the whole time. They didn't have to take care of me, he was the patient, but I was taken care of as well. I was their guest too, and I was treated like a guest. So I love the hospitable nature of Turkey and the Turkish people.
Be able to chew again and then be able to smile too. So this sounds very simple, but to me it's a major thing to be able to eat food and apples, for example, fruit. I love fruit, and to chew that without problems, that's a wonderful thing. And to be able to smile to my surroundings, to my friends, to my family, that's a very important thing too. Actually, I came on vacation here this summer, and I didn't have planned to get dental treatment, but I had the need for a dental work for cleaning my teeth, and on that occasion I got in contact with Diamond Dental, and very quickly it was obvious that if I should have a dental cosmetic treatment, then it should be in cooperation with Diamond Dental. Well, I got a very professional first-class treatment. The staff here very careful in examining my teeth, that they took care of everything concerning me. They showed attention to the smallest details, and what I experienced was that during that process I got minimal pain for maximum gain with the Diamond Dental. I think when I return to Denmark I can do it with confidence. I can smile. I have used a lot of time covering my bad teeth, but now I have no reason for covering it, and I can just return to Denmark and smile.